Je suis comme un papillon, je suis sur le point de m'envoler.
Excuse me, I don't mean to follow you. Thought it was you, but it wasn't you. Have you seen her? Have you seen her? Excuse me, I don't mean to follow you. Thought it was you, but it wasn't you. Have you seen her? Have you seen her?
Yeah, like something out of a movie. Deja vu.
Hi fairies and welcome back. It's Laurasia Andrea. Yes, your Girla is back on YouTube and social media. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social media networks because I am big Girla. So this video is sponsored by Alipearl. Here are all the wig specs. This is a 30-inch deep wave 13x4 HD lace wig. It is 250 density, so it's definitely super major full. The curls are so poppin'. They're so beautiful. And wine. Your girl is getting back into the gym. I am 4 days a week and this body is looking snatched, okay? So it's about to be shown off. As far as the parting, it does go pretty far back and I do like that this wig fits perfectly on my small little head. I am a 21.5 inch circumference and I usually always have a problem with wigs fitting on my head, but this wig definitely is no problem. Now that it is 2023, it is time to showcase some better wig caps for our head because we are trying to save our edges. If you guys have not noticed yet, I do have a series going on. Obviously, it's called Save My Edges, not breaking our edges off because we are out here struggling already to keep our hair, okay? So this is what I was using previously. It's actually Pantyhose, and you know I did a whole entire video on it. Don't get me wrong, that video was laid and slayed, but as far as like using stocking caps as wig caps, I honestly just feel like they're a bit too tight. I usually only wear my wigs for one day, but for people that like to wear their wigs for days and weeks at a time, do I really recommend you to wear a stocking cap to lay down your wigs? No, I really don't. It's honestly just not too safe for your edges. And really, I think that's the reason why a lot of people develop that white line around their hairline. I found these super affordable wig caps from Amazon. I believe they were like $5. No lie, y'all. They're like 15 in a pack and they are so breathable and stretchy and they fit anyone's head. I have a real small head, but if you guys go all the way up to a 23 or a 24 circumference, I'm pretty sure these can fit as well. They do have two colors. I did get the medium brown color and I believe they have like a nude color as well. When I laid this wig cap down using that Eben melting gel, oh my gosh, it's super snug on this hairline. I just applied that gel all around my hairline and did it right above my hairline, actually, like where all my little baby hairs are, because I don't want those to peek through when I install the wig. And I'm just going to use my finger to push that in. Now, this is a new product I am introducing to my channel. Y'all know I love me some Eben. I am like obsessed, you know, unsponsored that is, and that's by choice. I don't want to be sponsored because I want to always have my own thoughts in all honesty when I am doing these reviews. This is the lace melt spray. This is not the same as the melting spray you guys have seen on my channel before. These are two completely different things with different ingredients and everything is not the same. The only mutual thing is the fact that they both have vitamin E that goes to my Save Your Edges series. That is exactly why I'm doing it, to just get like more healthy ingredients when we are using these products, because I'm a wig wearer, but I'm also a natural hair girl. I'm a hybrid, okay? But I always want to make sure that I am still taking care of my hair and having my hair super healthy underneath my wigs. I like to use a purple can of the lace melt spray just to seal in that wig cap even more. And then I'm going to use that melting spray from the black bottle. Y'all have seen this video. If y'all haven't, go ahead and check that out. But I'm going to use that to seal in the little line of demarcation on the wig cap. I always struggle with this when doing my ball caps. It's kind of the reason of why I don't really like doing ball caps, but now that I have a better way of laying down my ball cap, I'm like a lot more confident now. Once this wig cap is dry with the melting spray and all the other sprays, I'm just going to use some liquid foundation and spray that lace melt spray one more time, and y'all gonna see when it dries. Girl, it is seamless. It's gone. I'm going to be using the same exact products that I use to melt down this ball cap. In today's install, I'm first starting with using that melting gel, and I like to use the applicator when doing this because this product is super sticky. If I had to say one thing that irritates the hell out of me, it's definitely the fact that it's so sticky. Like, it literally gets everywhere if you do not use the applicator. But this product is so cheap, it's really affordable, so I'm not really complaining. And I'm going to put just the melting gel at the top of my lace. And when it comes to the size of my lace, since those are the ear tabs, I wanted to try using the melting gel paired with the lace melt spray. And oh my gosh, y'all, this is the first time I've actually had my ear tabs laid down completely all around. Y'all probably like, girl, you've been doing wigs on this channel for like 5-7 years now. This is your first time getting it to lay like this? Yes, it is. Okay, products is changing all the time. New things are coming out all the time. So this is the first time things have actually worked together as a pair to my liking. So I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side and then come back when I'm cutting this lace. So this is not my first rodeo with using Alipearl's hair. I was using their hair all the time, like maybe 4 years ago. So it was only a matter of time before I circled back to work with them again. And they did not fail yet again. This lace is so popping. It blends in so well with my skin. It is like literally invisible. I'm going to use that even melting spray because that's what it do. It melts this lace down real good. I'm going to put that all around the hairline. I'm going to use a blow dryer to dry it just a little bit. And to have that lace blend in a lot better with my skin tone, I'm going to be using a lace tint mousse. This is from iWells. It's on Amazon. Like everything in this video, it's on Amazon. I use the color medium dark brown, and this lace mousse is like the secret to getting my wigs to blend in so well with my skin. Whether it's in person, whether it's on video, none of it lies, okay? I'm going to be wetting this hair and showing you guys basically 2 styles that you guys could do with this wig. This is deep wave hair, so I'm going to be letting you guys see what it looks like wet. I don't have anything in this water bottle. All I did was just wet it and let it air dry, but I wanted to show you guys these curls, how far it goes down from my back. I am 5'4", so it goes pretty far past my butt. I kind of felt like I wanted to wear it wet today, but I was like, you know what? Let me experiment and try something new and deep wave a deep wave wig. And girl, I ended up deep waving my hair in 20 minutes. Y'all know how it is with this deep wave stuff. You'll be sitting here deep waving your hair for like 3 hours, and that was not the case today, okay?
How you feeling right now? Been thinking about what it taking next. Wanna run it by you, send a text, I know it's late. Every time I shoot that shot, know I net it. I ain't stressing, I ain't worried about the pressure. It ain't nothing I've been
to blend this lace in a lot further and make it look completely seamless on my hairline, I'm going to take this lace wig powder I got from Amazon. I'm gonna just stop saying I got it from Amazon because y'all should just already know by now. And I'm going to put that all around the hairline to make it blend in super seamless in case I'm not wearing any makeup, as you guys can see here. And I am so hyped, y'all, because this wig ain't going nowhere. I am loving the new products that I tried in today's video. I'm like, okay, I'm about to be doing this every single time I install my wig because usually it takes me a long time to install, and today it literally, no lie, took me like 30 minutes. So this is how the hair is looking when it is damp. I did let it air dry while I did my makeup, and I'm going to be using this deep waver I got from Hot Tools. I got this so long ago, y'all, so I don't really know if it's still on Amazon or not. I believe I got it from Sally's, but Hot Tools sells all their stuff on Amazon anyway. I'm going to be using this deep waver just to deep wave the hair. I'm not going to comb it out. I'm not going to blow dry it out. Just use a deep waver over top of the natural curl pattern, and it makes it look so beautiful. Basically, like I braided my hair at night and then unraveled it in the morning. That's what the curls is given. Yes. So I just pretty much did my entire head. Like I said, it only took me 20 minutes. I'm like, oh girl, I'm gonna be doing this from now on.
I know it's been a week at that job this week. At it till I'm bagging up enough so you can leave. I wanna show you things that I ain't even seen myself. Cause you know it where I'm from, you quick to help me cry myself, and that's rare. From your past to your DM, you finished with trying to reminisce. I think they envious. They see the diamond you always was.
So this is the final look. Oh my gosh, y'all, I am so obsessed with this. Y'all went so crazy on my Instagram post when I posted my hair like this. I honestly feel like it is so cute, and I'm loving the length. It is giving bust down 30. Okay, it's about to be hot. It's about to be summer. The curly hair is about to be coming out. I just used my hot comb just to flick my hair up a little bit so that it's not falling on my face. And of course, I had to take a few little pictures because I was looking real cute. But yeah, y'all, that pretty pretty much concludes the video. I feel like it came out so good. Like I said, I am back on social media. Make sure y'all are following me on all social media platforms. And until next time, I love y'all. Bye.
I could hold it down for you. Let me spend the time on you. Let me spend the time on you.